Welcome to our buying guide on the BionFit Moving Handle Air Bike. This unique bike combines air resistance with a built-in twister and extra back support for a comfortable, full-body workout. Let's explore its features and why it's a great addition to your home gym. Designed for both performance and durability, the BionFit Moving Handles Air Bike features a heavy-duty steel frame that ensures long-lasting strength. Its solid construction delivers stability even during the most intense workouts, giving you confidence as you push yourself to the limit. With a weight capacity of up to 100 kilograms, it accommodates a wide range of users. Comfort is essential for longer rides, and the adjustable padded seat provides just that. With a generous 10-centimeter width, it allows you to find your ideal riding position. Whether you're tall or short, you can easily adjust the seat height across 8 levels to suit your preference, ensuring a comfortable ride each time. Plus, the ample 25-centimeter distance between the seat and handlebars gives you extra room for a more relaxed and enjoyable ride. With a sleek design of 46 inches high, 24 inches wide, and 61 inches long, it fits perfectly in any space. The BionFit Moving Handle Air Bike comes equipped with an adjustable dual-handle design, offering both moving and fixed handle options. Moving handles. These engage your upper body as you pedal, delivering a full-body workout that enhances cardiovascular fitness. Fixed handles. Designed for stability, these handles let you focus on lower body workouts, ideal for isolating leg training. The sweat-resistant handle grips are designed for optimal comfort and control. Ergonomically crafted and moisture-repellent, they offer a secure, comfortable hold while being durable and easy to clean, helping you stay focused on achieving your fitness goals. This product is equipped with 3 innovative resistance features. 1. Advanced wheel design. A specially engineered wheel that maximizes air resistance for optimal performance and efficiency. 2. Stepless resistance. Knob allows for smooth, precise adjustment of resistance based on your pedaling intensity and needs. 3. Front wheel tension belt provides additional control, enhancing both stepless resistance and air resistance for a customizable workout experience. Enjoy a stable and secure ride during intense workouts with durable pedals that feature adjustable straps to keep your feet firmly in place. The Air Bike's belt-driven system ensures smooth, quiet resistance, providing an enhanced cycling experience while reducing maintenance compared to traditional chain systems. Focus on your performance and ride with confidence. A large, easy-to-read digital display that keeps you updated on time, distance, calories burned, and speed. Elevate your workout experience with our additional features designed for ultimate comfort and effectiveness. Ergonomic back support for improved posture during workouts. Built-in twister mechanism for enhanced core workouts. Combination of ergonomic back support and twister for a full body workout.